Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet these bunny ears. Now we will start with bunny ears. We will make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 12 chain crochet stitches. Okay, we will make 12 chain crochet stitches. After we are done with the 12 chain crochet stitches, in the first stitch which comes after the current loop in the needle, on the needle, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. In the first stitch which comes after current loop on the needle, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. Once we are done with our 5 double crochet stitches in our first stitch, then from stitch 2 to stitch 8 we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. Okay, once we are done with 5 double crochet stitches in our first stitch, from stitch 2 to stitch 8 we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. Now for stitch 9 and 10 we will make 1 half double crochet stitch. In stitch 9 1 half double crochet stitch, in stitch 10 1 half double crochet stitch, and in stitch 11 we will make 1 single crochet stitch. And stitch 12 we will make again 1 single crochet stitch. Then we make a chain of 5 chain crochet stitches and we come to downside of the previously made stitches, and we will start in the reversed manner this time. In stitch 12 and stitch 11 we will make 1 single crochet stitch. In stitch 9 and stitch 10 we will make 1 half double crochet stitch, and in from stitch 8 to stitch 2 we will make 1 double crochet stitch. And in first stitch we have already made 5 double crochet stitches, so when we reach there we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, so I'll just complete this and I'll show you.
Where's the blue sharpener?
Now we will change our yarn. For that we will keep 2 loops on our needle and we will pull up brown yarn from both loops, make a chain crochet. Okay, now see where we have made those 5 double crochet stitches in first stitch. For only those 5 double crochet stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each of the 5 double crochet stitches. Remember, only for 5 double crochet stitches which we made in first stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each of 5 double crochet stitches. Once we are done with those topmost 5 double crochet stitches, then for rest of the stitches pattern is like where we have made double crochet stitch, we will make 2 double crochet stitches on each double crochet stitch. Where we made half double crochet stitch, we will make 2 half double crochet stitches on each half double crochet stitch. And where we made single double crochet stitch, we will make 2 single crochet stitch in each of single crochet stitch. This pattern is going to be on both the sides same. And only for the chain of those 5 chain crochet stitches we will make 2 half double crochet stitches in each chain stitch of that chain of 5. Okay, so remember where double crochet stitch is there, make 2 double crochet stitches in one stitch. Where half double crochet stitch is there, make 2 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Where single crochet stitch is there, make 2 single crochet stitch in one stitch. And only for the chain of 5 in each stitch make 2 half double crochet stitches. Rest all is same. And when we reach the last stitch, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now here we have done with our first brown color yarn round. Now for the second round of the brown color, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch all around. Okay, so second round your pattern is 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch all around. Here we are done with the second round also. Now for the last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. Now for the last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. So this is how our final bunny ear look like. Following exactly same pattern, make one more ear. I'll show you the final piece. So this is how bunny ears look like. They are quite long. This is how a bunny ears look like. Now if you want to make complete bunny applique, I have already given link in the description. You can follow that link. And if you've liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Lots of new ideas are there. As you have seen, complete tutorial is with written notes. So there is no point of getting confused. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.